How to edit your draft on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your drafts easy and fast in less than 1 minute on Quora app. So first thing, go to Quora app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down and choose the drafts option right here. It's this the five one. Click on it, and now you will find your drafts right here. All what you have to do to edit them is by clicking on this pencil and edit option. Now I can edit my draft easy and fast as you can see, and after you finish, click submit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.